Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we finally got our K case from House of Cars Virginia. This one took a while. K case has been out a while and L case is already on the shelves. So we're gonna crack this open, see what's in there. Okay. Cracking the K case from 2026. Start off up top here. So we've got the new Pass and Go and the new color scheme. Not bad looking. And I really like that Buick GSX in gold, guys. Some nice looking casting. Nice wheel choice. The graphics aren't too over the top. GSX. And then the 18 Camaro SS. This one's not too bad. I think it would have been a little better with a little less graphics, but... And this one also had the Grand Sport, guys. I've been picking this up when I've seen it in stores. I like that color combo on the C6 Corvette. Have not grabbed this one, the Little Mad. Little gasser there. It's kind of cool. And this one, guys. This one is a highlight for sure. That WRX is looking good. So for this case, guys, the Supra is the tuned Supra. Little black one, and then the regular treasure hunt is the cupcake. So we'll see if we find that. I've actually already found a K-Case treasure hunt out in the wild, so we'll see if there's another one inside this box. That GT500 is decent looking. Interesting color combo. Kind of that olive army green color. And the green Jaguar Coupe. The X12 and a Eric Stein rod in a green color. We got the Hollaback, and if you're into Mitsubishis, that Starion's not bad looking. It's a good color combo, and I really dig this one. This one is an awesome K case, guys. That BMW M4. It's got the BMW colors with the big metal wing on that guy. Really dig that one. I'm gonna put the highlights over here, shall we? Supercharged NHRA in a different color there. Another Little Mad. And a chopping block. So this one, guys, we're gonna crack this here because this big block, 732 cubic inches click shift engine Hot Wheel, it's got a special feature. See back for details. So shift into gear and click away with this engine on wheels, loaded with interactives like rocking exhaust pipes and push button air breather. Non-stop fun on and off the track. Well, let's check it out. Where's the rocking exhaust? Okay. Okay, so you push the button and the exhaust pipes move a little bit. Can you see that? Just a little bit, right? It's kind of quirky. What do you guys think? You think that someone will buy that as a keychain? I don't know if they would. But we might be able to drill a hole right there. Put a little hook on it. See if anybody wants a giant engine as a keychain. Ooh, guys, I really dig this Nova. That blue color with the white stripe. 63 Chevy 2 Nova. Man, that thing looks good. So good. Definitely a highlight. Another Grand Sport. 5-alarm. And decidedly go in red. I really like these. I've been picking them up all year long. Super cool little car with that special feature as on this one as well. And check out that 82 Supra. So this is a then and now, so that has the newer 2020 and up Supra in this color scheme as well. Both pretty cool. And Taycan Turbo S in a nice blue color in the K case. And a yellow Maserati Shamal. Had that in what, white, black, red, I think. Lots of colors on that one. This is from a previous case, the RS2. That dark gray. Another Starion. And the Mountain Mauler. Another WRX, digging that one, so I'm glad to have a few of those. Nope, there it is, guys. Do you see it in the bottom there? A Punk Rod. The Renault van. And then there's your K case treasure hunt, guys. Where's the, oh, there's the flame, if you see it right there on top. There's the little logo. Yeah, we scored the treasure hunt, guys. Oh, there's the new GTB4 color scheme. Green, red, and white livery. Nice one. And we got another quick shift. Sweet. The Fiat 500C. That's a pretty cool little hot rod. Not purple. Not too shabby. Another Jaguar XJC. The Mauler. And a Street Shrieker. All right, halfway there. Time for the bottom. Ooh, I've gotten this in the last case. The little Roar, like off-road Mini Cooper. It's pretty cool. And then the Duck and Roll, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. We did it. We did it. We got our first Super of the year from these cases, guys. You see the TH right there? It is right there, guys. Super, super awesome. It's so hard to see the gold flame in there, though, 'cause it's covering it. But it's there. Very hard to see, but we do have the TH. Nice. I didn't know if we were going to get a Super this year, but all the way to K case to get our first Super. All right, a little Spider Mobile. It's kind of neat. It's like a little dune buggy. So that movie just came out in theaters, so another Batman. And a Toyota Sprinter. I like the color combo on that one. Oh, we got the pink Black Widow in this one. Was this from K case, guys? Let me know. Can't remember. I think this is my first pink one, though. I don't think I've gotten any of the pink yet. It's not bad looking. Little square body. The K case has the Aston Martin F1 cars. And I kind of like Aston Martin as a car company, but the F1 team is sucking it up this year big time, which is a bummer. A Mod Mill. Ooh, I love that 55 Chevy. I think that was from last case as well. 55 Chevy Fever. Super cool. It's got the little flames on the hood there. Just a nice color combo and casting. That's a highlight, whether it's from last case or not. Chopping block. And another then and now Supra. Ooh, I didn't put the pink truck over there. That's definitely a highlight. The BMW. Did I put that over there? If I didn't, I should have. Yep, I've already got a BMW over there. Such a cool color combo. Very cool. Look at that 70 Pontiac. They've done this a few times, but that blue looks pretty good. Why they put 68 when it's a 70? I always thought they should put the year of the car for the number, but sometimes they do it, not all of the time. Little drift box. Street shaker. Ooh, it's the popsicle. Drip, mad drip. That's a new one for 26, it says. It's kind of cool. The Rapid Pulse Paramedic Express. Another 5 alarm. The PT Fast. A little PT Cruiser fantasy. Trying to make it look cool. I like the color combo with the blue with the white stripes. Kind of have that Viper vibe. And the white Tune Charger. Looking pretty good in that color combo. Another Taycan. Another Bat car. And another GT500. Check it. Hollerback. And the pedal driver in a super nice ruby red with gold accents. That's a nice color combo for sure. And another duck and roll. I'll take it, guys. Look at another little Nova. It's definitely one of my favorites of the case. And Batmobile. But this might be my favorite. Between that and the Nova. And plus the Supra. Doesn't that look like... It so looks like it could have been a Supra, guys. Because the wheel or the tire looks like almost like a real rider. I like that one a lot. Hopefully we can pick up some more of those. Hopefully there'll be some in the L case as well. Because I only think there's only one of those in this K case. Another Charger. And the Miata. That one's an older one. And another RS2. And what do we got to round it out, guys? We've got another 55. Another 55 Chevy. And El Segundo coupe clip. So, no Porsches for the clips this year. They did those all last year. So, I was a big fan of the Porsche clips, but not so much of this one. I mean, it looks okay. You like the El Segundo. What's the special feature? Just a clip? Yeah. Special feature, you can attach it to your keys. That's what we do with every car. We make them all keychains, guys. And the Bully Goat is the last one of the case. All right, guys, here are the highlights of the K case. The K case is actually a pretty good case. So that click shift is pretty sweet. We got a few more of the WRX that was in the last case because that was the Supra from last case. And then that R34, guys, looking good. And the Nova, it's probably my two favorites of the case. And that BMW's right up there as well. Duck and roll, the pink square body. Yeah, And then our first Supra of the year, guys. And the treasure hunt to boot. This case was rocking. So thanks for tuning in, guys. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. We'll have L Case coming out in another few weeks. And I've got some cool Fast and Furious unboxings coming up, so stay tuned.